Hey Ray, what is going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing trade, showing you guys how I make money daily. Make sure to give me a follow, join that Discord link in my bio to get access to a ton of information and knowledge, and it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade right now with BTC USD in a short position here, using RSI, the PSAR, and using the range bars here. Always using that risk management when we're trading. Only looking for 50 to 100 point trades. Using that take profit and stop loss when we are trading. Again, welcome to my live. We're trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker here. And then we're using the range bars. Again, they only move off of points and not time. It's not like the normal bars that only move like every 5 minutes or an hour. These only move when the market is moving. Each one of those bars is worth 20 points. And we're just looking for reversals like you see here. This is BTC USD, like it was in the green going long and then turned red and going reversal. And so that's just what we're looking for when we are trading. So I do come on here to talk to people who are having issues with trading or new to trading or not really sure where to start. And I want them to be able to learn to avoid certain mistakes a lot of new traders make. Some of those is that they just risk way too much of their accounts and end up blowing and losing all their money. That's why I always talk about just using that 1% of their trades for all their capital. You work hard for your money, you want to protect it as much as possible. Using that 1% is really what it's all about. And then setting that stop loss and take profit is another really big portion of how I trade as well. And then a lot of new guys, they lack consistency with their strategies as well. They're always looking for something new all the time, and they don't stick with anything for a while. It's really advisable that you stick with a strategy for a couple weeks, a couple months to make sure that it does work. And then they trade with emotions. And that's one of the hardest things that you can possibly do when you're first starting out trading, is to learn not to trade with emotions, because it can really kill your strategy. Because you get excited instead of just watching what the market's doing, setting those stop losses, those take profits in place. So I use the RSI, the PSAR, and then the range bar. So I use that information all gathered together to give me an informed decision of what the market is currently doing. Like I said, I'm BTC USD right now in a short position, just looking for a small trade. Hey Gecko, Calorio, what's going on? Nana, what's happening? Robinhood, Killer, Junksy, what's going on, you guys? Again, welcome to my live. For anybody who's just joining, if you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, we're just trading on TradeXN. Here's the name of the broker. You can get their information in the link in my bio. We're in a trade right now with TradeXN in a short position here. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Cabiliano, the broker is TradeXN. If you see it there, TRADEXN is in the link in my bio as well, so you can get it there. Again, it's absolutely free. If you do use the link, I would appreciate it. I do get a commission from the broker if you do. So I would appreciate if you did that. There's no trading fees and low spreads as well, and that's why I use TradeXN. I have been with them for like 2 years now, and they've been a really good broker. What strategy do I use for a bullish market? It's the same whether it's bullish or bearish. So it all comes down to the direction of the market. And it moves off points and not time, right? So I'm not using the 5-minute candle. I'm watching the market moving. It doesn't matter which way it's going. It's all about market movement. So these end up making this very linear and makes it really clean and easy to use. Like this, you have the green bars here saying the market was going up, and then we caught that reversal. And that's when you want to buy in on a short position and then just ride that down. Humble Entity, can you trade US 30? Yes, absolutely can. If you go over, pull this over. If you go here, we have US 30, the 500, the 100 as well. And then if you look up here, the range bars, we have cryptos, the indices, stocks, and Forex. But down here, indices, you have gold, oil, the Dow Jones, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. Those are all on the range bars as well. You can get those for free. They're in the link in my bio. Again, they only move off points and not time. Also, make sure you always hit that live button as well. And then turn on your audio, because these have an audio signal also. They have a small spread. Everything has a spread no matter where you go. But it has one of the smallest spreads that I've seen so far. And that's the other reason that I do use them. Now, they are an offshore broker. If you're in the United States, you have to use a VPN. I use Proton VPN. That's in the link in my bio as well. I can pull that up for you here. Right here, so it's Proton VPN is the name of the VPN. If you use Netherlands or Japan, it is free to use. It doesn't cost anything. Trade down now on LTC USD. They just gave the audio signal there. Again, it's a weekend, so I'm able to trade cryptos right now. Again, we have BTC, LTC, Ethereum, and XRP USD. Again, we're just in the 5-minute time frame here, just looking for 50 to 100 point moves. I'm currently in a 100-point trade here with BTC USD. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. And so we're just using the RSI, the PSAR, parabolic SAR, and in their range bars. Again, a lot of people haven't seen these before. They don't know what they are. But these are range bars. They're not Renko bars. They're range bars. Again, they only move off of points and not time. So it's just complete market movement. It doesn't matter what time goes by. It doesn't change anything. These only move when the market is moving. So definitely a lot better to use. And again, they're nice and linear. The bars are always the same size. It just makes it easier to read. So if you guys could too, please hit that like button as well. It does help out my algorithm. I would appreciate that. And like I said, we have cryptos, stocks, Forex, and indices here on the range bars. They're absolutely free. They're just streaming off my streaming service. You can go to futurecapitaltrading.net to get them, or you can go to the link in my bio to get them as well. Thank you guys for those likes. Again, I do appreciate that. So we do use the RSI, right? So you're looking for 30 or the 70 point. If it's at 30, it means it's oversold, and so you're wanting to ride that market up. If it's at 70, then it means it's overbought and you're wanting to ride that market down with it. We match that up with the PSAR, the parabolic SAR. If it's the dots are on top, then it means the market is trending down. And if they're on the bottom right, then it means that they're going up. And then we match all that again with the range bars here. And all that together lets us know what the market's doing. So it's really pretty easy to use. It's simple. Right, it's not overcomplicated, and a lot of people get freaked out about thinking that the trading is complicated, but it's really not. People make it complicated when it doesn't need to be. So again, risk management. It's always really important to remember that trading is all about just that. It's about risk management. We manage our risks by making sure we're always risking less than 1% of our account. So I have $26,000 account here, but I'm only trading 1% every single trade. So I'm protecting my capital all the time. I'm not over risking, not over leveraging. We have leverage on TradeXN as well. It's the 100 point leverage, right? So it's kind of like you're trading $10,000 with $1,000. Right, so it's like $100 is $1,000. So it really makes a big difference as well in your trading because of that leverage. This does go all the way up to 500 leverage, but I never recommend going quite that high. So the reason I do come live too is because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent. And now I'm doing very well with this strategy. So I just wanted to share the knowledge with you guys as well. Mason Miller, Bitcoin prediction for 2024. I don't know. I've been seeing both sides of the coin on that, literally. And from everything I've seen, we're just having a pullback right now. But, 2024, 2025 is the Bitcoin halving. We're only like 90 days away from that. And then I do expect that to take off. If you've never seen the Bitcoin halving before, I would definitely look that up. Let's see, Bitcoin clock. Where's that? Oops. I'll show you Bitcoin CORN clock. And pull that on up here. Things being slow. Something with the internet today. I think it's this one. So we got, come on, update. There you go. 88 days left. Right. So I have 88 days left, 9 hours, 23 minutes, and the Bitcoin halving will hit. Like you can see here, this is the history on the Bitcoin halvings. And every time there's a Bitcoin halving, it takes off. And then you get this pullback, and then we have another one, it took off, have pullback, and it took off again. So we're at that next one, so we're going to be expecting another rise when Bitcoin halving comes. So watch for it in 88 days. Put it in your phone, put it in your computer, whatever. 88 days, you guys, and that's all we got left. And this thing is going to go crazy. And then with everything happening, with the election coming up and all that, I definitely expect some really crazy things to happen. So definitely a watch for that. And we're in a short right now with BTC USD. See if we can make a 50-point trade here. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'm here to answer as much as possible. Also, I do have a Discord. All that's in the link in my bio. I have a ton of information for you guys to check out as well. It's absolutely free and it doesn't cost anything. Just looking for a good place for everybody to go and learn about crypto, stocks, Forex, and to have discussions about how their trades and all that are going as well. Like I said, friends and family really don't care about cryptos, stocks, and stuff. So it's nice to have a place to go just to be able to talk about it. All right. So it is really important too to understand that anyone who really wants to make money in trading needs at least $50,000. Now the reason for this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and 1% gains on 10,000 is $100. So when practicing and testing strategies, I used to start off with 1 to 5,000, but since I can do tons at 0.01 practice trades, that will be worth 50 cents to a dollar, depending on where I set my stop loss and take profit. Right. So all that being said, it just takes money to make money, right? And you want to be able to be really safe with the amount of money that you're using. So again, if you have like a higher balance, you want to protect that by only trading smaller percentages. Guys try to turn 1,000 into 100,000, think that's feasible. It's not, in a rush. It takes time to get that by building up your account and snowballing it over time as you're doubling and quadrupling your account over time. Then yeah, maybe you can get there, but you're not going to just do it in one day. All right, what's going on, you guys? Again, welcome to my live. Here every single day teaching people how to use risk management, only trading 1% of their account. Again, using stop loss to take profit, and letting the market, letting this trade for you because your stop loss and take profit are already in place, right? So that's all I do is I look for a good entry. I put my stop loss and take profit in place, and it's set. There's no stress. I can get up and go do something else. I don't have to sit here in front of the computer all the time either. All right. So it is kind of slow tonight, but I did want to get on for a little while as I didn't get on this morning. And just see if I can talk to a couple of people that have maybe never traded before and just are looking to start trading and learning how. And if they do, again, you can go to the link in my bio. I have a Discord with all the information on how to set up trades. It's really easy. And again, we're using TradeXN as the name of the broker. So if you're looking for a good broker, again, no trading fees and low spreads. And then we're using the range bars. Again, these only move off points, right, and not time. Totally different than a lot of other stuff that people have seen before. So definitely check those out as well. Hey, Anderson H123, opinions on XRP. Well, it looks like they're going back into court again. So I don't expect that to go anywhere anytime soon, honestly. Maybe in a couple years, but right now I don't really see it moving anywhere out of the ordinary. Matter of fact, let's see. Where are we sitting with that XRP? So we're at, what's that at right now? 55. So we're at 55 right now, right? Our high was, what, 90 or whatever for just a second. Where are we at? That was way up here, right? That was, what, 92 cents or something? 92, 93. I've been riding it since I have XRP myself, and I've got it around 32 cents or something like that. I've been holding it ever since. And we'll see where it goes, but yeah, I'm way down like 30. Yeah, way down here, 32 cents. Yeah, it's around 55 cents right now. User 7381158, Bitcoin predictions 2024. Bitcoin halving is coming up. I was just talking to somebody else about that. We have 88 days left for 2024. If you look at the history of the halvings, which are those blue lines right there, every time there's a halving, the market went up. Right here, market went up, market went up. So we have another one coming in 88 days. My prediction, because of this history, we are going up. Okay, that's the prediction, that's the history. It's right here in black and white. You can look that up yourself. Buybitcoinworldwide.com has that clock. Put it on your computer, whatever, let you know, set an alarm. Estimated halving date April 18th, 2024. That is my prediction, just because of the trending history, right? Kind of like the same thing here. We're looking at the history. We're looking at what everything is saying that it's doing right now. That's why I look at the RSI. What's it saying right now? It's telling me we're going down. What does the PSAR say? We are going down. I look at the range bars here as well, and we are going down. It's in the red. So what do you think I'm going to do? I buy short, and that's exactly what I do. Again, we're just trading on the 5-minute time frame as well. Again, just doing 50 to 100 point trades. Let's see, any altcoins you think that have the potential to skyrocket? I only want to invest to 1K. Now, what is that one I'm invested in right now, or I'm waiting for? Hold on, let me pull that up. AETHIR is this new one. It's not even out yet. You might want to check it out. They do have a Discord right now. It's AETHIR, like Ether, but it's AETHIR. It's then the coin's not even out yet. It's going to be hitting the market really, really soon. It's like an ETH coin, so I would definitely invest in that one. That's definitely what I would go for if you're going to go for one for sure. Also, if you haven't seen this before, you've seen crypto bubbles. Oops. There you go. Cryptobubbles.net. This is another one as well. But 1K in bigger stuff won't move much, yeah. He says Coinbase is down. I don't keep my money on Coinbase because of exactly, you're like freaking out. Desmond, because Coinbase is down. That's why I put mine on a ledger. And I can actually bring that up for you guys too. You guys need to come to my Discord. I have a whole bunch of information in here as well. Where's my Discord? Where's my, right here. So Arculus is the name of my ledger, and I keep everything on my ledger. All my crypto goes on my ledger. You get the link to that again is in my Discord. It's on the link in my bio. You go to the Discord, Future Capital Trading Discord, and you can get this. It's Arculus cold storage wallet ledger. If you have the keys, then your stuff is protected, you guys. And that's why I absolutely use that. That's where all mine is stored. I don't care about Coinbase going down. I can put my crypto anywhere I want because I have it. See, that's why I don't trust that stuff. But yeah, Anderson, definitely check out Ether, the AETHIR. Like I said, they're going live here soon. Just one I would recommend. It's not financial advice. It's just what I decide, what I want to do. A couple that I'm looking at as well here on Crypto Bubbles is Iron, IRON, RNDR, Render, Tron, TRX. Right, it's a couple of smaller ones. I heard ICP is a big one taken off as well. Vet, and then Honey has been doing really well too. Honey is up 125% this year, so it's really not too bad. It's been up the last day, week, month. It's up. What was the other one? Oh, INJ. INJ is up 2,227%. Anderson, no, AI. Hold on. AETHIR. That's what you want to look for. AETHIR. Let's see. How can you spell that again? Is it A or yeah? Yeah, AETHIR. This, I mean, it hasn't even launched yet. They said they're getting ready to be doing it very, very soon. I'm actually in their Discord now. Just joined the other day myself. I've heard people talking about it, so give it a look over if you want to get into something that's new. But yeah, absolutely. I'm always looking for something quick. Let's see. All right. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, to you guys, thank you for the follows as well and the likes. I do appreciate those too. How do you buy those though if they aren't on Coinbase and that kind of stuff? So depending if you have like Uniswap, right? Pancake Swap, Crypto.com is another one that I use. So there's a couple of different ones that you can use. But Uniswap is usually one of the bigger ones that people start using that have brand new coins before they go to the big crypto platforms like Coinbase. But go to like if you go to that Discord and look up, or go to my Discord, and I think then I can give you a follow onto that as well. If you can't find it, but you should be able to find that online. Just look up AETHIR, and then you can join the Discord from, I think, that webpage as well. But then you'll know where they're going to be putting their money or whatever, if it's going to Pancake Swap or Uniswap. Also, if you go, like, if it ends up here on Crypto Bubbles, say if I click on Matic, right? So Matic tells me, like here, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX, MEXC, Gate.io, or Coinbase. So it tells you where all these cryptos are actually trading on, and that makes it easy as well. So definitely check out Crypto Bubbles as well. And you can just scroll down to like the search button right here, and you can look up whatever you want. And it shows them all like how well they're doing, hour, the day, the week, the month, all that stuff. So again, these are all my personal ones. If you go to like the top 100, this is like the top 100 that are out right now and how well they're doing. Again, you can check out, say, like for the last day, which ones are the top right now, like Sia Coin, Chiliz, Astar, and Dogecoin are all the top runners that have moved the most in the top 100 coins in the last day. So it's a really cool site to use, and it's a free site. It doesn't cost anything. All right. Oh yeah, no, absolutely, man. So the more information I can give, if anything, is to just give me a like button. I hit the like button a few times. I would appreciate that for giving out information. Just helps my algorithm with TikTok, right? So that would be cool of you. So we're currently in trade right now, the TradeXN with BTC USD in a short position, just looking for a 100-point trade. Market is currently not moving hardly at all with Bitcoin. User 738 CAB. I don't know what CAB is, unless you're saying cap, which I'm not lying, but I don't know what you're saying. Hey Will, what's going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. Like I said, I'm here every single day doing trades. Feel free to ask any questions if you want to learn more completely for free. Give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. We're currently in trade with BTC USD. Market's gone kind of flat right now, so Atif Abizi, what's going on? Rel 71177. Again, you guys welcome. Just doing a couple of trades here. Seeing if we can catch anything good going on in the market. Again, I come live all the time just so I want to be able to learn and be very consistent, and I'm now doing well following the strategy that I'm using. So I just wanted to share it with other people so you can see what I'm doing. And again, please use my referral code. It does help me make a commission as well. And it's a win-win scenario for you guys. Y'all get to learn for free, and then I get to make a small commission doing this as well. So again, please use that link in my bio. It's safe to have your Bitcoin on Robinhood account. I wouldn't have it on Bitcoin. If you saw, was it AMC? Last year or whatever, when there's that huge flux of AMC, they froze the button so nobody could sell AMC. And they can manipulate it because of that. So I wouldn't keep anything on there. Honestly, I mean, Bitcoin isn't going to go anywhere, right? But they could freeze it if they wanted to. Like I said before, it's really good to keep your money on a ledger. So like right here, this is Arculus. This is the name of the ledger that I use, and that's where I keep all my coins. I don't keep it on Coinbase or whatever. I use Arculus. That's in the link in my bio in my Discord, which you can get from there. It's Future Capital Trading is the name of the Discord. Again, you can join there. Go to my important books link, and you can get the ledger link there. Where is PWC? PWWC? Is that a crypto? I don't know what PWWC is. Yeah, I don't know what PWWC is. Oh, where is AKA PWC? That's what you're asking me. SEB. Is a broadcaster, AKA PWC. That's what he's asking. Solana's good to get now. Solana's still a good one. I think is strong. AKA PWC. He's still around. I still do talk to him. He hasn't disappeared. He's just laying low. he's working on a website right now or something. He's doing his building his YouTube website or something. He said he'll be back soon, so I don't know. So Solana, well, they're up 306% for the year, right? 3.9 for the month. But everybody's kind of down right now. Is the crypto's cooling off right before this halving, I think. But at least I'd wait maybe a little while longer because everything is dropping. But definitely keep your eyes on it. You can use things like TradingView to kind of help you as well, to get a good idea. Like Solana, like I can pull that up here. I have TradingView here, so Solana USD. So if you go to like the yearly, oops, hold on. Done. Pull this back, and if I put this on there. All right, so we're still above the 61%. And it looks like, yeah, we're pulling back right now, so maybe wait. This is on the day chart. Maybe I should go to the hourly, honestly. Hold on. Get rid of that. I should have done that. Hold on a second. Alright, yeah. If I did this one, no, it's gonna be the same anyway. Yeah, we're a little bit high there on the Fibonacci. I don't know why I wasn't remember the name of that. I'd wait for it to come down. It looks like it's coming down. And you may get a pullback. As long as it doesn't go below the 50% line, I'd expect a bounce back up. So I would definitely watch that. Innovative Concepts. I used to trade XN in 2020 until they stopped us in the USA. So Innovative Concepts, it's not stopped. I'm in the US. I'm still using them, but I'm using Proton VPN. So that's what I'm currently using here. Proton VPN is the VPN that I'm currently using, so I can still trade with it. That's free to use as well. I just use the Netherlands or Japan in order to get it. Innovative Concepts. You can go to the link in my bio, or go to my Discord, and I can always help you out there as well. But if you go to Proton VPN, you can just sign up for it. It's free to use. Just make sure you use the Netherlands, and then you're set up. So, and once you have Proton VPN running, then you can start using TradeXN again. But you have to have the VPN running and turned on before you can use TradeXN again. But yeah, it's not gone. They just blocked it. But yeah, I use a VPN to get around it. And then you can still send your money across. Just send it to crypto.com or coinbase.com. That's how I send the money over to TradeXN. Hey, Yummy72, what's going on, you guys? Again, welcome to my live. We're in a trade with TradeXN. Again, no trading fees and low spreads. Then we're using the RSI, the PSAR as well, and then using the range bars, of course. Again, those only move off of points and not time. A lot of people haven't seen these before, but they don't move just because 5 minutes have gone by. They only move when the market is moving. It's one of the best setups to have so far that I have found. Oh, okay, I have Coinbase and wondered that. Thanks. Yeah, or crypto.com. I like crypto.com. It's easier than Coinbase. Coinbase is kind of annoying, honestly. But I do like crypto. Crypto.com is faster as well. Because Coinbase can block for what they call it, whitelist or something. It's stupid. So I use crypto.com. All right, and like I said, I like to come live, you guys, come able to learn and be very consistent. And like I said, I'm doing really well with my strategy, and I just wanted to share it with you guys as well. And so please use my referral code if you use TradeXN as well, because I do get a commission. You guys get to learn how to do this for free, and then I make something from TradeXN. So again, I would appreciate that. And as I always say, it's really important to understand that anyone who really wants to make it in trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. The reason for this is we make a small percentage gains on regular basis, and 1% gain on 10,000 is $100. So I'm practicing and testing strategies. I used to start off with 1 to 5,000. Since I can do a ton of trades at 0.01, with the practice trades, and that's around like 50 cents to $1, right? So that really makes a big difference as well when you're learning. Hey, thank you very much for the follows, and appreciate the likes. Again, it helps out the algorithm with TikTok a lot. So again, you guys, I do appreciate that for sure. I always want to emphasize too how I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. But I do like, I show you guys like using ledgers, right? The crypto bubbles, all that kind of stuff. Just teaching you guys with all the stuff that I know. Information is free anymore. Anybody who's charging, that's how they're making their money. They're not really wanting to show you anything. They're just trying to make money off of you. All I ask is if you decide to use TradeXN to use my link, just because I get a commission off of it. So again, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out. Remember, I'm just treating this like a business, right? I just have to be very consistent with my trading. I'm only using, again, 1% of my account, right? And I'm using stop losses to take profit, to take the stop loss to protect my capital so that I don't blow it if the market goes against me. And then take profit. So I'm not greedy, and it also will trade automatically for me. So if I have to get up and walk away, I can. Let's see. Potter Stock says no. No what? Potter Stocks. No what? Just no. Hey, Chief Editing Officer, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate you guys for sure. Like I said, we're in a trade right now with BTC USD. We're also using the range bars here that you can see up on this other screen. So we have 4 different cryptos. We have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. We have the indices. We have gold and oil, Dow Jones, S&P, Russell, and NASDAQ. During the week, we have the stocks rolling. We got Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. And then for Forexes, we have 6 different Forex. I usually trade EUR USD. Gold and then BTC USD are my 3 favorites that I'm always trading. And like I said, I've been using TradeXN now for like 2 years, and I've never had any issues with them. So if you guys have any questions, always do your own DD, right? Do your own due diligence, check stuff out, be confident with what you're using. And I say that about everything, right? Every web page you get on, whatever. Don't just trust me. Do your own research for free, for sure. And I always emphasize I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. If you ever see someone under my name trying to sell you something, it's absolutely not me. It's a scammer. We do have a link in my bio for my Discord where I try to have a really safe environment and keep those kind of people out. Chief Editing Officers, yeah, BTC, right? So Bitcoin. We have cryptos on here: Bitcoin, LTC USD, Ethereum USD, and XRP USD. And then on TradeXN, there's more than that. as well. If you go to all symbols and I go to cryptos, we have ADA, USD, AVE, USD. Well, there's a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different cryptos. I thought you meant BTC's on the NAS. No, but we have NASDAQ. NASDAQ is on here too. Right here. So we have NASDAQ, Russell, the S&P. We have oil, gold, Dow Jones. Those are all on the indices here. So again, these are on the link in my bio too. You can get them again for free. They're on my streaming service. It doesn't cost anything. And yes, you can use margin or leverage. Sorry, you can use leverage on TradeXN as well, all the way up to 500 points leverage. I only use 100 points myself, but you can go all the way up to 500 if you really choose to. I think it's a little bit outside the risk management strategy, but to each their own. But yes, you can use all the way up to 500 if you want. Innovative concept. I am seeing Proton cost. Is that accurate? Proton VPN. I know that's what you're looking for. PROTON. It's like a purplish blue triangle, and then Proton VPN. That's what you want. Not Proton cost, Proton VPN. Yep. And like I said, the range bars here are free to use. They're in the link in my bio. It says it just takes the email to sign up. These do have an audio signal as well. So not only is it RSI, the PSAR, the range bars, you have an audio signal too. So you have 4 different indicators letting you know what the market is doing. Again, they only move off points of the market, right? So if the market is flat, it's not moving, these don't move. They don't care that 5 minutes went by. It's not time based. They're only moving when the market moves. You can check out the website. Go to futurecapitaltrading.net. And again, you can just sign up just with the email. But there's a ton of information there. Like I always say, do your own DD. They've done 50 years of back testing here with the range bars. So there's a lot of data involved making these. These are not, what do they call them? There's another name people think these are, but it's not them. These are just range bars. So I mean, they don't move off of time, just points. Oh, Renko bars. People always say these are Renko bars. These are not Renko bars. Innovative concepts. No, bro, I don't pay anything for Proton VPN. It's free. Just download it for free. If you pay $5 a month or whatever, then you're getting more. Then you're getting other stuff with it. You don't need that. If you just download the Proton and then just get connected with Netherlands or Japan, that is free. It's plenty fast enough too. I don't pay anything for that. That's, I mean, I'm running off the Netherlands right now, and that's all I need. It's moving pretty fast, so I'm on this every single day again for free. It's not a big deal. So yeah, no, I don't pay for that. I save as much as my money as I possibly can every month so I can put it back into trading. Like I said, the range bars are free, so check those out. Like I said, they don't cost anything either. Proton is free. The range bars don't have a monthly fee either. Those are free, other than your normal any normal fees that every broker has. But there's no trading fees. So there's a fee like when you put money onto the account and take it off, but they all have that. And then there's no commissions on TradeXN either. Again, that's why I use them. They're a smaller broker. They're not as big as all these other ones are that charge a fee for everything. TradeXN doesn't do that. So we are in a trade still, BTC USD. The market has gone really flat. So I don't know if we'll even get a decent trade here. But again, I always put that stop loss and take profit in place to protect my account. And then I can walk away from the computer if I need to as well. Because it's either going to hit my stop loss or it's going to hit my take profit. Either way, it'll automatically sell for me. So even if I have to get up from the computer, I can. I don't have to sit here and worry about it. I can go to bed if I want, and it's still going to finish this trade one way or the other. Well, as you can see, BTC USD right now, we are showing when they had a reversal, right? We're uptrending, had a pullback, continued up, had a reversal. Now we're having another pullback. So this may continue down. The RSI is around 50. The parabolic SIR dots are on top. And they are, as you see, they're on top. So that means that we're trending down. And then the range bars are showing that we're trending down. We're just getting a little bit of a pullback right now. All right. Times it. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Like I said, we're just in a trade right now. BTC USD in a short position as it's Saturday. The rest of the market is closed. I heard that ETH USD Ethereum is going to start moving soon though. Like this year is going to be the year for Ethereum. All right. Man, I wish this would start moving in a little bit. We could have a good trade going on here, but right now it's just being slow. So. Hey, Elias Sanchez, Humberto, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. I'm just going to be on here for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to jump off as Bitcoin has decided to go flat. It's not any fun trading if it's not going anywhere. Like I said, I'm never selling anything. No courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community, so make sure you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. I also make a commission on the side when you guys register using my link for TradeXN, so please do that as well. Again, there's no trading fees and low spreads with TradeXN. And always when you're trading, right, you guys always want to treat it like a business. You have to be very consistent. Trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show big enough data, which proves whether the strategy works or not. You can't just bounce around from different strategies all the time because you'll never get it figured out. You have to stick with something that works for a while, and then you'll learn if it's going to work and then move on to something else. But if you only do it for a day or two, you'll never know if it truly worked or not. I've been trading for like 2 years now with TradeXN and the range bars here, and they work really well. It has a 61% win rate. Again, they've been back tested like 50 years. So plenty of data put into that to make sure that they work well. Again, you're just looking for those reversals from like red to green and then green to red. So it's not super complicated. Again, if y'all want to learn more completely for free, check out the link in my bio. And you can go to the Discord as well. We're like 86 members now and growing, looking to get to 100 this year. Again, it's a free Discord. It doesn't cost anything. Just want to have a place where people can go to learn how to trade and stuff. Okay, innovative concepts. Okay, I'm showing connection to Netherlands, so now just log in to TradeXN. Yep, just log in, dude. You'll be good to go. That's awesome that you found me, that you're able to get on there. If you haven't had any money on there, hopefully you can, now you'll be able to access it again. That sucks if all of a sudden it dropped and you're like, oh no, I can't get on anymore. That sucks, and thought your money was gone. But it should still be there. I said the site never went anywhere. The US just blocked it, or TradeXN blocked it because they weren't allowed to use it anymore. But yeah, you should be able to get back on, since I've been on there for 2 years. If you were in the old Discord, you should have been able to, or you should have known that. If not, you can get on my Discord as well. It's free. And I'm always in there all the time. So I can definitely talk to you if you have any questions. Oh, cool. Yeah, I've liked them. They've worked really well. The only thing I wish that they did is for like the stop loss and take profit. I wish I could drag and drop. If I could just pull it up, it would be great. I hate that I have to type it in, but I've gotten used to doing that. But I would prefer it if I could drag and drop it. I have asked them if they would make that modification. They just haven't done that yet. Yeah, you should be able to find it. It's in the link in my bio. For the Discord. Like I said, I'm in there every single day. Like even when I'm in my day job, I check the Discord all the time. So I like talking to everybody, helping people out if I can. And it's a good support system, honestly. What we got going on here? Yeah, this is like flat dead, man. Gee whiz. Cool, man. Ear of Fear apparel. Ear of Fear. Weird. Hey, welcome to my live. Like I said, I'm here every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. And if you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow. Join the Discord link in my bio. We're sitting here on BTC USD in a short position, waiting to see the market's going to do. It's currently flat as a pancake. It's not moving at all right now, which really sucks. I wish it would, but what are you going to do? All right. Oh, hey Angel, what is going on? You've been on here before, right? I do believe. Yeah, so we're just trading BTC USD right now. You hit the follow button. Yeah, I thought you were on here before. I do try to remember everybody that comes in here. Have you gotten on BTC, or on TradeXN yet, or no? Or are you just checking it out? Or maybe the range bars? You get the range bars yet? Range bars are really cool. It's just, because they only move the market moves. And that's really it. It's only so complicated. It's one of the easiest things I think I've seen so far. It's just simple. What will BTC hit? Which way? Him. You said what will BTC hit next? Well, what in the next? What time frame? People always ask me that kind of stuff, and I always tell them, so which time frame are you talking about? Because are you looking long term, short term? Like I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I'm looking for a 100-point trade. That's what I'm looking for it to hit. Right? I'm looking for 41,600 to come into short position right now. You're down 20K on Bitcoin. Down 20K. Well, if you go to I like to go the hourly. Honestly, it's going to come back up. Bitcoin, I really think it's going to come back up. Do you know about I always ask everybody, do you know about the Bitcoin halving? Do you have any idea about the Bitcoin halving at all? We have 88 days left. 88 days left. Bitcoin halving is coming. If you know what that means, this is the Bitcoin halving right here, okay? Right here, we had a Bitcoin halving. The market went up. Then we pulled back a little, Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, we have a Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving, market went up. Bitcoin halving, market went up. We're about to be in another one in 88 days. Right here, you guys. 88 days, Bitcoin halving. What do you think is going to happen? I would hold onto your Bitcoin. And just wait. It's going to come back. And when it comes back, it's going to come back. So since you're holding, you're investing, right? I don't invest with, I'm not investing here, I'm trading. I do have investments. I'm not saying I don't, because I have investments, but I do a lot of my main focus on trading instead of investing. What's the name to get the charts? Veluthor, it's TradeXN is the name. If you can see that, TradeXN. It's in the link in my bio as well. So check out the link in my bio. You'll be able to see TradeXN. And please do use that. I get a commission off of it if you sign up. No trading fees and low spreads in TradeXN. They have crypto stocks, Forex, and indices as well. Oh, these up here, these are range bars. These are in the link in my bio as well. They're free to use. They don't cost anything. They're on my streaming service. You can go to futurecapitaltrading.net to sign up for them. And then when you're done, hit futurecapitaltrade.net /sign in. People get confused on that sometimes. And then you'll be able to get into your account. So it just takes an email to sign up. And then you'll be in and you can use them all the time. So I said they're free. It's never going to cost you anything. Again, they only move off points and not time, right? They're not time based. So they just move off the actual movement of the market itself. Like right now, Bitcoin, and each one of these bars is worth 20 points. Like one full bar is 20 points. So like a full 20 points would be like 5 of these would make one full bar. By the time you get to the top for the next one, that's like 5 bars. And I'm usually doing 50 to 100 point trades, so it's what was that, 5, 10, 12, about 12 bars is a full trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12. That's like 50 points right there. The 50 point trade. That's what I'm looking for when I'm trading. So, okay, what do you say? Okay, I'm in with new password because forgot it. Okay, I used to load my account with Cash App. Oh, okay. Well, at least you're in. That's exciting for you. I'm glad I was able to help you. At least to get onto the account again. That's great. Yep, and like I said, you can always use, if you put on with Cash App, if you needed, not sure how you'd send it back off with Cash App, but I always send across to like USDC, because then it's not moving the way the market is, because USDC is flat, right? It's always 1.00 or whatever. So that way it's not costing really anything to send it as much. Like if the market's moving, you're not going to lose money because it's flat. So you always pay your gas fees, but that's typical. But I'm sure you know that. But I'm happy that you're back in. That's cool. All right. Yeah, BTC or Bitcoin is flat. Well, I think I'm going to jump off, you guys. I do have to go to work tomorrow. Yay. But again, I'm here every single day. If you guys always have any questions, please hit me up. Please join the Discord link in my bio. I'm just trying to grow my community. have a safe place to go talk about crypto, stocks, forex, and all that kind of stuff, and help each other out with trades if you're getting stuck or having issues. Anyway, again, we're trading on TradeXN is the name of the link. We're using futurecapitaltrading.net is the range bars up here. Again, then we move off points, not time, and those are free to use as well. All right, you guys, you all have a good night, and I will hopefully see you all tomorrow. Talk to you all later.